Hello everyone, welcome to answerwriting.com. In this video, we will see how you can use answerwriting.com to evaluate your answers and improve your answer writing skills. In this video, we will use the example of UPSC Civil Services Mains answer to understand how answerwriting.com works and how it evaluates your answer. So let's dive into the tutorial. Right now, I'm on the homepage of answerwriting.com. You have to click on free evaluation. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for an account. I'm logging in because I already have an account. I'll enter my details and I'll click on sign in. Now once you're signed in, it will immediately redirect you to the dashboard. And on the dashboard, the first thing that you will see is the answer evaluator. This evaluator is very simple to use. And also one more thing, we evaluate all the optional subjects for UPSC exam, and also we support 23 languages in India. You can evaluate in your regional languages, Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi, whatever you want to evaluate in. So right now, I'm selecting my subject. I have an answer written for 𝗔H2 and I'll be selecting marks for how many marks I want to evaluate. My question is already written with my answer sheet, so I'm selecting that. If you don't have that, you can write the question here and click on submit for evaluation. Once you click on submit for evaluation, firstly, it will upload your answer to the server, then it will start analyzing your answer, then it will evaluate, and then it will generate a detailed report of your answer. You can wait for a few seconds. It usually takes less than a minute and sometimes even faster than that. Here you go, this is the result. Now this was a question from 𝗔H2. Here's the marks I have got. Okay, it deducted a lot of marks. This is what I expected, 5.75 out of 10. Total word count is 239 words. Here is the markup and annotation on the copy, that why I have been awarded marks at certain points. Like this place, I have got 3.75 marks because of these reasons. You can read them. And then here are some comments which I can read for suggestion and improvement in conclusion. And then after that, there is a detailed breakdown of introduction, body and conclusion. In the introduction, what can we do, how many marks I got. Then in body, what I can improve, how I can improve the body. Then conclusion, and then structure, overall structure of the answer. And then there are certain parameters for answer so that you can understand better that, okay, content quality was really good, that's why you have got marks. Language and expression, use of evidence and examples. And then there are some subject-specific evaluation criteria that you can read. So it's quite simple to use, it is very easy to use. Now here is one more option, you can download the report of your answer after evaluating. This is where you can download the PDF of your report of the evaluation, which you can send to your teacher or your friends so that they can also evaluate and understand your answer. This is how the answerwriting.com works. If you want to change your subject, if you want to change your exam, this is where you can go. You can click on the manage option, and in the manage option, you can go and change your exam. UPSC Civil Services exam, UPPCS, and various other exams are there. And if you select UPSC, you will be able to select your optional subject as well. Once you click on save exam, it will take you back to the answer evaluator. Other than answer evaluator, you can also evaluate essays. Once you click on essay evaluator, you will see a similar interface and you can evaluate your essays. We also have few other tools which are very useful for UPSC aspirants. Case studies generator for GS4. If you want to generate real life case studies and solve them, you can use this tool. Case studies finder for optional subject. Let's say if you are preparing for anthropology optional, sociology optional, you can find different types of case studies related to different topics so that you can use them to enrich your notes. This is how you can use answerwriting.com for holistic preparation of UPSC and various other exams. We are working and bringing a lot more features to this platform. We will be bringing more and more exams to this platform so that you can evaluate your answers for any exam, which includes subjective type questions. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.